What are they?
I see them right here. I see them right there. Right there.
Oh, right here. Look at the pretty waterfall.
Look at this little rock.
Oh, look, that one is climbing up on it. The other one.
Look at this.
And then there's
Look at
one.
little baby one swimming like this. Aww, look at that, Mom. I wonder if they snapped.
Oh, he just dived.
What?
And then there's a duck over there. We're lined up all over there. We should bring Auntie Anna and Alyssa and everybody here, huh? What are we doing, TJ?
There's nothing here. We're going for a bike ride and we're seeing turtles.
Hey, what are you doing? What are we doing today?
I don't know. I have no clue.
What are we doing?
Riding bikes.
Are you guys ready to get back on the trail?
Yeah.
So we're on the Centennial Trail riding our bikes. We are at mile 10. So, do you want to see how many more miles we can go, boys? Well, this is just the start. We've probably gone about a half a mile. But it's marked 10. This is a proof. So let's see how many more we can go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's the river. We get to ride all along the river. Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Avery, you're swerving in front of me, child. Got a little downhill action. You better not slow down in front of me because I won't be able to stop fast. Oh! See, I told you. Bye. Come on, hurry up. There's TJ. Oh, cool. Look at the bridge, guys. Or the little thing we get to go in. That's not a bouncy ball. Oh, another bike. Yeah? I'm trying. Well, I can't video you unless you're in front of me. Are you coming? That's where you can go up to Red Robin. No, we're exercising. Red Robin has junk food.
We could stop for ice cream.
That's not good. We're enjoying the pretty little river. Come on, are you getting in front of me or not?
No, we should. No, I'm not. I like it.
Wow, TJ's beating us.
I want to like that.
Okay, here's the proof. We're at mile, your head's in the way though. You're at mile 9. So we've gone 1 mile so far. We're stopping for a drink. There's TJ. Come get a drink. I'm not gonna throw it. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get back on the road. Don't drink it all.
I'm not. I wish I could.
This area almost reminds me of La Pine. Not down there, but like the trees and stuff. Okay, we made it another mile. Here's mile 8. Avery needs to get out of the road. There's lots of people. There's Toryn. How you feeling, Toryn? Are you feeling like you can continue? You want to go more? Because we have to go just as far back.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yep.
I'm getting tired already. Okay, so mile 8. Should we go to 7 miles and then go back?
No, we should go back to 1 mile.
No, 1 mile is way the other way. We go back to our truck that'll be like total if we go to 7.
Let's go to 7. No, that's right after 8, so that's gonna be short.
Well, then we gotta ride back.
Avery.
Had to stop right here because this is just so pretty. And then really high. They even have sandbags along the way, some of the way. Okay, mile 7. How you guys doing? How you feeling? I can't hear you. You gotta turn around.
I'm good. I just want to keep going another mile.
So you want to go to 6?
Yes.
You do too?
Yes.
Okay, looks like I'm outranked. I'm going to mile 6. Okay. So, we made it to mile 6. This is 6. So that means we've gone a total of 4 miles. Are you getting a drink? We're hydrating. And now,
We're going to go to mile 7.
that way,
Oh, man.
we're headed back to the car because we've gone 4 miles already. So how many do we have to go back?
8.
That's total that we would have gone, that we're going today. But we have 4 miles. We're only halfway done. So you're going to stay with me. So you're going to stay with me, right?
Yeah.
You? So now when we go, we got to stay on that side.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we're on our way back. And we just came to, oh, can you see it? Mile plus 7. 7. 3 more to go. Hey. Are you guys, how you feeling?
Horrible. Feeling good.
Do you need drinks?
I do. I don't.
Do you need to take your sweater off yet?
No, I want to sweat.
Tie it around your waist. Okay. We're gonna hydrate and get back on this lovely trail. Okay. We're at mile 8. And Avery's upset and crying. He'll get over it. On our way back. I think they're tired and cranky now. No. Okay. On our way back. This is mile, it looks 9. 9. We're gonna hit 10 and then we have a little bit more to go past 10 to the truck. 8 miles on our bikes today.
8.
Well, not quite yet. We still have another mile to go. Okay, let's do it. Toryn found a bunny. Stay out of the road, boys. There's a fight coming.